Love them or hate them, bugs make the world go round. Believe this, there are 10 quintillion insects on our planet at any given time. We're talking 19 zeros, people. And while many are harmless, some can be deadly. So we're breaking down the 5 most deadly insects on Earth, and number 1 is going to surprise you since you probably have them in your home right now. Here we go. First up, the Indian red scorpion, one of 1,500 species of scorpions. Only a few dozen are actually venomous. The Indian red scorpion is one of them. In fact, it's the most lethal of all the scorpion species. In some parts of the world, up to 40% of people stung by the Indian red scorpion die. Watch out, if you're stung, you'll have excruciating pain, muscle spasms, convulsions, and respiratory distress. Number 4, bees. Yep, bees. We're not talking bumblebees here, though. 89 people died in North and South America in 2017 because of bee stings. And it's not so much the sting as it is the allergic reaction for some, sending them into anaphylactic shock, specifically the murder hornet. This thing is huge. The world's largest, up to a 3-inch wingspan and 1.5 inches long. The stinger alone is a 1/4 inch. In some countries, they fry them on a skewer and eat them. Yummy. But watch out for the deadly murder hornet. Number 3 is the Tsetse Fly. Nasty little bugger. Basically, they're biting flies that spread parasitic infection. This can cause African sleeping sickness. In fact, 100% of people who get this die if they don't get treatment. If you're bitten, you'll develop confusion, poor coordination, numbness, and difficulty sleeping. After that, well, you're basically dead. Pretty quickly, too. 3,500 people were killed by this fly in 2015. Thankfully, the Tsetse Fly is native to Africa, so most of us will never see one. But watch out. And coming in at number 2, the kissing bug. Ooh la la. Don't let the name confuse you. They're also known as vampire bugs, and they're found in about 28 states in the US. Thankfully, the deadly bites usually happen in Central America, since the bugs there carry Chagas disease. Kills about 12,000 people every year. Even worse, you usually don't even realize you're sick. Asymptomatic for 4 to 8 weeks. It's called the kissing bug because they often bite around the mouth, but this kiss is deadly. And number 1, believe it or not, is the mosquito. Take a swat at these numbers. 700,000 people die from mosquito bites every year. They carry nasty diseases: malaria, dengue, West Nile, yellow fever, Zika, and others. Malaria makes up the majority of those deaths and is a major problem in some countries outside of the US. Worldwide, 1 person is killed from a mosquito every 30 seconds. Watch out, because drinking alcohol or being overweight can attract these pesky skeeters even more. So there you have it, the top 5 bugs that can kill.